Hello everybody, welcome back to the Klaus Reviews, Crafts and Restoration channel. Sometimes restoration. Restore a banana, shove it up your nose. Good and shiny. Today we're going to be watching a video on how to make a piano seat. Nice, easy, clean, love-starved, got it going on, going to marry it, fall in love with it, make out, have baby piano chairs. Man, we got it all worked out this today on piano chairs. Man, put me on a piano. Man, I make Little Richard look lame. Man, I play that piano so much the keys catch on fire. I played the Rhapsody of Bugs Bunny, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, Hey Diddle Diddle. Man, that's some shitty ass songs you're talking about. And I played Goodness Gracious, My Balls Are on Fire. Goodness gracious, my balls are on fire. Don't you mean goodness gracious, great balls of fire? Get ready, this was a good one. Oh, I mean, goodness gracious, my balls are on fire. I got so hopped up on that song, I slid down those piano keys so fast, my nuts caught on fire. And I got friction burns. But that piano went up like a stack of dry kindling. Man, I know what you're talking about. This place smelled like burnt fur for a week. I didn't know what the hell was going on. I seen Monkey wearing a G-string. Man, what are you wearing that for? He's like, it burned my nuts off. Like clean shaven. Man, that was some good piano playing. Man, I burnt that piano up. Man, I won the first award, second award, third award, and I won a few awards that people give me. Those people throwing me money, not because I was good, they wanted me to stop playing. Man, but I was good though. But take a look at this piano seat. Man, this thing will make you sprung looking at it. I mean, you're going to make your own. I mean, this thing is simple, but good, strong, sturdy. It was going to actually have a storage area in the bottom, but the jackass that built it, messed it up. Glued and nailed the top part before he, on it without paying attention. They couldn't get into the bottom no more and put a drawer on it. Dumbass. Speaking of dumbasses, hey Monkey, what are you doing tonight? Why, you bastard? What I'm doing tonight? Dumbass. What I'm doing tonight is I'm going to watch some TV, that Nude Monkey Network, where all the girl monkeys shave their wassahs and everything, and I'll eat a banana split, fantasize, go to bed sprung, toss and turn all night, you know, the usual. That's what I do every night. What in the hell do we need details like that for? We don't need no monkeys, female or otherwise, shaving the wahas and you going to bed sprung. Man, what the hell wrong with you? Well, you asked. That's what I'm going to do tonight. You asked, you got. Oh, I forgot, I'm going to eat some ice cream. Yeah, banana splits got ice cream on it, I know, idiots. But this is going to be a second helping of chocolate ice cream with mustard on it. Man, ain't going to have no mustard. Well, I'm going to go in and get on with jokes. You people are going to watch this piano seat being built. Maybe go build your own. Yeah, make it off on building your own. You sit down and play the piano. You don't know how to play. Learn. You don't want to learn. You don't play it. The hell you think? You don't want to play it? Don't play it. Alright, here goes the joke. The easiest time to add insult to injury is when you sign someone's cast. Gosh, that thing is horrible. We got bad jokes now. We used to have those good dirty jokes. I need to get those things back. Yeah, tell me about it, man. That was a bad joke. I think I'm going to tell a joke to make up for that one. I know they say money talks, but all mine says is goodbye. Man, I'm killing that joke department. Whoever who's working in that place, man, they're going to get it. They're going to get me fired with jokes like that. Well, anyway, go ahead and sit back and watch this show on how to make a piano seat, and we'll see you next time on the Klaus Reviews, Crafts, and Restores channel. And have fun, y'all. Laugh a lot. Play with your wieners if you want. I don't care what you do. And we'll see you next time. Bye. What I'm doing now is I'm taking, I don't have any other piece of plywood to put my upholstery on, so I'm going to use this old piece, and it don't matter because it's never going to be seen. You'll learn that when you're building sofas, any kind of furniture, anything that you want to cover up with fabric or anything else, it doesn't matter what it looks like because it's never ever going to be seen unless somebody reupholsters it and then they're just going to cover it right back up. I'm going to cut this just a hair shorter than what I need it to be because the upholstery is going to go out this way. I didn't get a brown leather fabric yet. That's why it's good to have a cutting table like this. So it's easier to cut stuff. This cutting table is 4 foot to 8 foot, so I can cut large sheet goods with it. Small gap here, but close enough. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't crooked because my line didn't go all the way up. So from here to here, one of these sides, I don't know which, there was no line. Just kept going as straight as I could. And it turned out all right. Another lesson in upholstery, nothing has to be perfect. So let's get to work. So I'm going to use this rougher side to put the stuff on. And I don't have complete pieces on a lot of this, so I'm going to use this and then put the other one, another one on top of it, and then a thinner one on top of that. Get this stuff before my daughter gets to it. Just makes mattresses, pillows, everything for her dolls. That's where it's all pretty much done. Still gonna need another small. This right here is a bread knife. Really good to cut foam with.
Spray adhesive, don't gotta use it, but it helps. The other spray adhesive that I use on paper is different than this, because I bought the wrong kind. This is supposed to be for paper. This comes out pretty much like this, like silly string. I don't want to use that on paper, but I reordered the paper one already. I mean the one on paper already. But this is 3M, so this stuff's gonna stick like a whore to John wanting money. Okay. This stuff turned to brick.
Push it now.
It also has a big
Let it even stick.
low, medium, and high. It will stick once it starts packing up. It's not packing up yet.
Everything I say is decided. Mommy don't care.
You talk with that in the video. I care, of course.
Listen to that, not say either.
See me.
Okay, talk. Hari video inyo. Go na.
I've been driving my horse. I've been driving my scooter reckless.
You
Like
did.
a wild horse.
Then,
I was setting a table head on it.
okay. Then what happened next? The left fell off or the tree? What fell off in there?
Get this other pincher.
And when the cowboy girl comes by, it's me.
The cowboy girl. They're called cowgirls.
He wasn't paying attention. I was out of there.
It's a cowboy girl.
A cowgirl or a cowboy? A cowgirl. That's me.
You know, in an older video, somebody said they don't want you in it. That's why I'm asking you to be in it even more. I'm gonna run off my dollar. Just measure it up, eyeball it, make sure you got a side straight, and then find your knife, whatever you done with it. I lost my knife. So make it a little bit wider, just probably about ½ inch, maybe or less, what you want it to be sticking out. And once all of this is done, it looks like it's thick. This is generic crappy foam, so once you sit on it, it's going to sink so low.
The stomach cramps. Wait!
Summer clam? That means, it's like a rainbow. I want to use this piece for something or crafting with. I want to get down.
What happens when somebody ties stuff in knots? And the last and final piece.
Ooh, I want some of that.
This, put a little sticking on here, not much. You don't want to use the spray adhesive, you don't have to. If you're doing the sofa, things like that, you have to. If you're doing that, you need something that I don't even have. You need to. Just check it on the sides when you're running it down. Make sure you don't pull it in too tight in some areas and not tight enough in others. If you don't have one of these, you can use another stapler, another method. But these are cheap and you don't need a monster tank over there like I run these things off of. You can run it off of these small ones too. Like that. But I'm using the big one because I've got it and I like it. And put this at a little bit of an angle. It'll help push that up. With this kind of foam, it's never going to be perfect, especially when you sit on it for a while. It's just not firm foam. Wood rasp. This corner's a little bit sharp. So just fold this fabric back, take these corners down.
There you go, around the corner.
Gets. Let's take this one too. Okay, so it's finished. Upholstery looking nice on the put some leather conditioner on the leather right now. And, goes on here, but it's not being. You put a little small screws on the bottom, not big ones. You'll poke yourself in the ass. On this, to hold it on. But I'm not holding it on right now because the rest of the seat's not finished. It's got to be painted and everything. So when that gets done.
What's that like that?
The way this foam is, when you sit down on it, you're going to sink into it. So same sinking. And it's shorter because this is crappy foam. And then when you sit up, it looks like that. because it's crappy foam. It will go back up. It will go back up, but it'll just take it a little time. It'll take it a couple minutes. It will go. See, it's going back up. One of these days when I can get the better, like Mandawi foam, the kind of really nice foam, I'll take that off and get rid of that foam and put the good foam back. But right now, it's what it is.
Hey, do you smell my flower? You smell
Blah, 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 blah. Monkey.
Face asleep. Action.
Crow. Monkey.
Action.
Get ready, it's a crow. Crow. What?
Down your head, I mean, don't stick up too much. Action. Show who's there. It's the same, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, action.
Yeah, bye, you wiener loving bastards. So long.